I'm Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my craft room. In this video, I will show you how I make this unique turban hat. If you love anything about turban hat, consider subscribing. I recommend you to only use stretchy fabric to make this turban hat. And if you're asking me about what's the name of this fabric, I don't really know because here in my country, every stretchy fabric is called stretchy fabric. And you can see the direction of fabric is very important. This is the edge of fabric. The size is about 12 inches for babies and 18 inches for adult. And the length of this fabric will be half the head circumference plus an inch. Now, this is the back side of the fabric. With the edge of fabric here, I will mark the fabric every 3 centimeters. Like this, you can see here. Now I will fold the fabric from this line to this line. I will fold the fabric and I will sew here using regular straight stitch, and the other line sew here until here. Like this, I use contrasting thread so you can easily see the stitches. And this is the front side of our turban hat. Fold the turban in half, like this. And I will stitch here and here using regular stitch. But for this, I will leave an opening about half an inch here. Like this. I leave an opening about half an inch here. Prepare another piece of fabric. This is the edge of fabric. The size is 8 inches and the length is head circumference plus an inch. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides together. The edge of fabric here, and I will sew here using regular stitch. like this. Open the fabric here, and I will fold the fabric like this. Take our turban hat, and this is the back side of our turban hat, and with the opening here, this will be the front side of our turban hat. And for the line here, this will be the back side of our turban hat. So this turban hat, this back side, I will put it here. And for the front side, I will put it here. And I will sew around here using a serger. Like this. So when we see the turban hat from the outside, it will look like this. Now I will gather the fabric here and here. This is the front side of our turban hat, the one with an opening here. I will open the fabric here and gather the fabric. Like this. Prepare another piece of fabric. The size is 3 inches wide and 5 inches long. Fold the fabric like this and sew here using regular stitch. like this. Turn the fabric inside out. Take our turban hat, and this is the opening here. With the wrong sides together, fold the fabric like this, and put the fabric through the opening here. I will sew the loop here to the turban hat here. Like this. So when we see from the outside, the loop will be here. Prepare another piece of fabric. The size is 6 inches and the length is head circumference plus an inch. I will fold the fabric like this, and I will sew here using knit stitch. These are the patterns on my sewing machine. I will use this knit stitch to sew this fabric. If you don't have this knit stitch on your sewing machine, you can use a straight stitch or just use a regular zigzag stitch. Like this. Turn the fabric inside out. I will refer this as the wrong side and this as the right side. Take our turban hat, and I will put this fabric through the loop here. And I will sew this with the right sides together. I will sew here using regular stitch. Like this. I will move this to the back of our turban hat here. This is the back of our turban hat, and this is the back of our bow. Put them together, and I will stitch right in the line here. Like this. When we stitch right in the line here, we can barely see the stitches. And our turban hat is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this turban hat tutorial, please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. the opening here, I will gather the flap. When we stitch light, please give thumbs up. Please give a thumbs up. Please give it a I will show you how I make. Dari semua itu enggak ada.